Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I achieved this look with a half wig unit, so let's get into it. The first thing I do is go in and prep my hair. I separate my leave out and decide how much I'm going to braid down, and honestly the hair just needs to be as flat as you can. And yeah, your girl is not good at camera in, but we're gonna get there, Oh my gosh, that fourth plait is stressing me out. Please do learn how to camera at some point in your life. Anyway, I like to put all my plaits into one big plait and then tuck it under. And one thing that I will say is don't forget to oil your braids, because I promise you, if you plan to leave these braids in for a few days, weeks, months, they're gonna itch. You know what they say, what's the point in having a protective hairstyle if you're not gonna protect your hair? Then I'm going to get a wig cap and put it on. I like to do this just so that everything just lays a bit flat, and also because the oil that I put on my hair, I don't like it to go into my wigs as much, and yeah, it basically just acts as like a barrier. Now for styling the leave out. I always see a lot of people styling their leave out once they put the wig on, but my preference is to do it beforehand so I know what hair and how much hair I'm working with. So I like to go in with the chopsticks curler and just curl my hair. I tend to do it on a low heat so that I don't have as much heat damage. So as you can see, I go in and I curl both sides so that all the leave out is curly. And before I go to bed, I literally twist both sides down, and this prevents me having to curl my hair every single day because we don't want any heat damage. The next step is applying the wig. So this is the wig that I have. It's a 22-inch kinky curly style, and one thing that I love about this wig is that you have all the combs and also the drawstring so that you can tighten it or loosen it as you wish. So I basically put the combs through the beginning of the comb rows, and this just keeps it really secure. By the way, I forgot to mention, I did dye this hair to colour 1 because 1B hair for me just doesn't quite do it. Then once the wig is on, we then go into our next step, which will be sorting out our edges and moulding the front section of the leave out. So now that the wig is on, I'm basically going to go in, do my edges and create like a base here. And then I'm going to add some mousse and some water just to redefine the curls. And whilst you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. This is me just doing my edges. I like to use the red gummy wax because the hair does not budge when you use this. This is top 2 and it's not 2, let me tell you that. So here I'm going in and basically just brushing my hair back, just out the way, and then I'm going to use a scarf to basically set it in this position. And the last step is blending and styling the hair. So I like to go in with a water spray bottle. I use the olive oil wrap set mousse with coconut oil. That one seems to work quite well with the hair texture that I have. And as you can see, I literally just go in section by section, and I also create ringlets with my fingers, and then yeah, basically just go through the hair doing this until I've done the whole head.
Like days, only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. You know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know. You know what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not doing what I want. Get some me time. You do what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. I'll be your role model. Don't leave out tomorrow. Gonna be what I'm all. Tell me what you want. Just say you had a life, 'cause my time ain't enough. God's never enough for you. But you can wait until after all. Flawless, baby, what you call this? If the shit don't involve money, I'm off it. I can be your role model. Give me Hendrix. Before we end it, go straight to GT3. No more shows, no MTV. So you won't double that I can tell you. That's where you won't go after you come with me. I just set it off before I turn 23. I could teach you how to ball if you just let a nigga be. We be so high, it's why we so low key.
So this is what it looks like, and then we're now going to remove the headscarf. So let's have a look.
Don't need us tomorrow.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And by the way, let me know if you guys want more hair content.
But you can wait until after flawless, baby, what you call